Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to improve your credit with on-time payments using Bright. On-time payments are one of the biggest factors in building a strong credit score, and Bright helps you to nail them every time. Once you link your credit cards and bank accounts, Bright tracks your due dates and automatically pays your minimums before they're due. This consistency protects your credit report from late marks and helps to build a solid payment history over time. If you have extra cash, Bright also sends smart payments towards your balances, reducing your overall debt and boosting your score even more. No reminders, no missed due dates, just reliable automatic payments working behind the scenes to grow your credits. With Bright, building better credit becomes a habit that you don't even have to think about. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.